My channel. I'm AshGoesPlaces, and today we are on the Shinkansen heading to Kyoto. Come with me as we explore Nijo Castle in Kyoto. We're going to take a trip around, see the cherry blossoms, explore the grounds. Most of this is going to be a walking video. It's from 2024 in March, so last year, and we just got the footage now, so here I hope you enjoy.